How to change location on Grab. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change location on Grab. First, open your Grab app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Save Places. Then tap on Add New to enter a new location for your GrabFood delivery. Enter the name, address, and any other relevant details. Finally, tap on Save Address to confirm the changes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.